Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and this is my educational channel. Today I would like to begin with essential grammar. Essential grammar is very important for students. Not only for students, everyone can learn essential grammar and it is important for writing skills as well as for speaking. And if you have knowledge of essential grammar, you can be able to gain different basic English grammar knowledge with various examples. In my video of essential grammar today, first of all, I would like to begin with the sentence. After reading of the sentence, you can be able to learn about the concept of sentence. Let's start with the definition of the sentence. If we look at the definition of the sentence, it stated that a sentence is a group of words conveying a complete sense. That means, suppose if we look at statement or in a line, it has a complete sense of meaning or language meaning with a perfect thought, with a group of meaningful words, with a subject as well as a verb. Suppose if I consider an example like she was having a nap. This line has meaning, a language meaning, a perfect thought with a subject as well as a verb. And again, if I consider another example, mother loves her children. That means it has a perfect thought, a language meaning with a group of meaningful words. From this line, we can understand a language meaning with the combination of subject as well as a verb. Let's move to the kinds of sentences. Sentence has three kinds: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Let's first begin with simple sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. Suppose if I consider an example, Brazil won the match. Rahul is sick. If we observe these two lines, Brazil and Rahul are subject and match and sick stated about predicate. Let's move to the second sentence, that is compound sentence. A group of two independent clauses is called a compound sentence. Compound sentence is very easy to identify because in compound sentence two independent clauses are connected with the help of conjunction or and but to form one compound sentence. Because in compound sentence we can easy to find conjunction or and but, and or and but represent compound sentence because of uses of conjunction. Suppose if I consider an example like work hard or you will fail. In this line, conjunction or is used. And if I consider another example, your dress is expensive but your shoes are torn. Here, but is used. But is conjunction. And compound sentence is easy to identify because of uses of conjunction or and but. Let's move to the last one, that is complex sentence. The components of a complex sentence are a principal clause and two or more subordinate clauses. In complex sentence, if we observe, we can be able to find a principal clause with two or more subordinate clauses. Suppose if I consider an example like he said to me that They have arrived and will stay with us. In these lines, he said to me that is a principal clause. They have arrived and will stay with us are subordinate clauses. At last, I want to give you some examples to identify the sentences. You can try yourself to identify the sentences. I knew that it would not rain today. She was fast asleep. They are not only dishonest but also impudent. He is undoubtedly brilliant. Lord Rama had to be the king of Ayodhya, but he was exiled. Gandhi taught us to adopt the path of truth and non-violence, but none wants to walk thereon. We attended his birthday party unwillingly. The schools will close if the commissioner orders so. Life is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, but it can be made beautiful by sincere efforts. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I can make more grammar related videos.